unveiling the hidden beauty of Siquijor. Be captivated by the enchanting landscapes, mesmerizing tourist spots, incredible experiences that Siquijor offers you, serene beaches that grace the shores. These untouched stretches of white sand and turquoise waters are a paradise for beach lovers seeking tranquility. A majestic waterfall that seems straight out of a fairy tale. The crystal-clear waters cascade down the rocks. The sunset is a beautiful sight with the sky painted in shades of gold, orange and pink. Explore the amazing beauty of Siquijor on your next holiday. Create memories that makes your heart smile every time you remember Siquijor. Mabuhay Travel is ready to assist your flight needs to the Philippines.